Hey there, I'm here to talk about something that's super important for all Pakistani residents who own foreign assets, the capital value tax, or CVT. If you've got investments or property outside Pakistan, you need to be aware of this. So, what exactly is CVT? It's a tax imposed on the capital value of your foreign assets. Essentially, the government wants a slice of your foreign pie. This tax isn't new, but there's been a lot of focus on it recently. Now, why do you have to pay this tax? The primary reason is revenue generation. The Pakistani government is looking to increase its revenue streams, and taxing foreign assets is one way to do that. It's also a move to ensure that wealth is fairly distributed and everyone pays their fair share. How much do you need to pay? The rate can vary, but generally, it's a small percentage of the total value of your foreign assets. It's critical to declare these assets honestly to avoid any legal issues down the line. So, what happens if you don't pay? Non-compliance can lead to hefty fines and even legal action. Nobody wants to deal with that hassle, right? It's much better to stay on the safe side and pay the tax. To sum it up, if you're a Pakistani resident with foreign assets, you need to be aware of the CVT. Make sure you're compliant, declare your assets, and pay the tax to avoid any trouble. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful information. See you next time.